Keeping your office sparkly clean brings about plenty of benefits, from employee health and happiness to creating a professional brand and image. Everyone in the business field is well aware of this. Office cleaning is quite crucial for most companies. But what if you wanted to take your office cleaning a step further and try to implement eco-friendly cleaning practices? That's exactly what we will be looking today. In this video, you will learn how to reduce the usage of cleaning chemicals at your workplace, improve the health and well-being of your employees and colleagues, enable a better and cleaner work environment. How to clean your microwave with lemons. The microwave, have been a vital meal preparation tool, often needs more cleaning than most other appliances. And if you are trying to make the change to eco-friendly cleaning practices, what better place to begin than here? Instead of using chemical store-bought cleaning solutions, you can just grab some good old lemon juice, pour a few tablespoons of it in a cup of water and place it in the microwave. Heat until it starts boiling, then simply let it stay inside the microwave for a bit, about 10 minutes. Should do the trick. When you finally open the door, you'll be greeted with a wonderful, refreshing lemony aroma. All that is left for you to do is grab a clean cloth and wipe down the insides of the appliances. How to clean the countertops with lemon acid. Antibacterial and antifungal by nature, citric acid are absolutely amazing at dealing with any sort of spots and stains. So the next time you find yourself faced with a stubborn spot on your office counter or tabletop, don't go rushing for the fancy cleaning solution you bought from the store last month. Instead, simply grab some lemon juice. That's right, all that you need to neutralize the countertop stains with a few drops of lemon juice, some baking soda and a clean cloth. Drop your lemon juice on the stubborn stain and let it stay there for no longer than 5 minutes. Then pour a bit of baking soda on the problematic area, grab your clean cloth, get to wiping and watch it as the stain magically disappears. How to clean sink drains with lemon acid. Lemon acid can help you freshen up the sink drains in your break room. Just pour some lemon juice and hot water down the drain and watch the magic happen. As with all other lemon-related cleaning methods, you want to give the citric acid enough time to do its thing before actually using the sink again. And if you ever find yourself in a clogged situation, lemon acid has your back once again. Very effective in dealing with tiny bits of food, hair, grease and similar clogging types. This method of eco-friendly sink cleaning is surprisingly effective. Pour some baking soda, followed by lemon acid, down the drain and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Then rinse the drain with hot water. In the case of very stubborn drain clogging, simply repeat the process. Clean any glass item with lemon acid. Any office space is guaranteed to be the home of plenty of glasses, bottles, pots and cups. Using detergents and scrubbers can be effective but dangerous. Even if you ignore the whole store-bought cleaning solution situations that we've spent the entire video talking about, the dangers of scratching and damaging the glass item will always be present. Lemon juice has your back once again. You can use fresh lemon to achieve an effect quite similar to what a detergent would without any of the risk of downsides for a mere fraction of the cost. Just grab a lemon, cut it in half and rub it along the glassy surface. Then let your favorite item have its beauty sleep for a couple of hours and follow up with a nice and simple water rinsing. Your cups and decanters will be as good as new. Freshen up the air. Besides their obvious health and hygiene improving capabilities, lemons are known for their distinct aroma. Most people find the lemon aroma very refreshing, so many companies have created air freshening products based on them. But you've already had the pleasure of experiencing that if you follow through with any of the above advice. Here's an easy way to stop the toxic store-bought refreshers from your office and ensure that everything smells nice and fresh at the same time. Quick odor response tip. If you're faced with a nasty odor emergency, this tip will surely help you out. Buy a couple of lemons and get a few small bowls to distribute around your office, one per room. Cut up your lemons in pieces and place them in a bowl. Distribute your DIY fresheners throughout the workplace and enjoy fresh aromas for days. After you have the situations under control and are no longer worried of what would happen if X walked in right now, you can look for more permanent air freshening options. You'll need the same bowls distributed around the office, but this time leave the lemons whole. This way, everyone will be able to enjoy the aroma for longer, or snatch one for a quick and tasty afternoon snack. Have you tried any of these methods yet? What was it like? If you have any stories related to green cleaning, or if you'd like to add something, please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you.